Okay, guys, we got a little bit of a problem. And it's very, very easy fix. It's extremely easy. It's called mailing. Why is the half left side of my screen dark? Wait, hold on. No, that's normal, I think. Hold on, wait. So, come on, one times. The, 622 keeps resetting constantly. Right when I was watching a damn recording, now it chose to reset. And it wasn't even from the actual drive, it was from the EHD. The external, just right there. So what the hell? This thing loves to reset for absolutely no reason. Like constantly. It can reset, then acquire signal, then immediately reset right after it gets signal. Or it's not even done yet halfway and it just resets. So wherever Eli got this from, which I think is Mercari or something. I don't even know what the hell that is. The original owners of this thing either fucked it up somehow or I don't know, because this thing is faulty. It will refuse to record my shit, even though I set timers for it, and it just does not want to record it. If you use both tuners, for some reason, it just fucks up the whole box and resets it. And here it is acquiring signal. So, I'm going to be replacing this with the 722K. And Eli's going to be sending his old one. He already shipped it out. It should be here soon. And yes, we'll do an unboxing on that too. I know what recordings are on it, so I'll just probably wipe the drive. Because it's just nothing interesting, so. This way we don't have to worry about anything. We'll just use 722K. Plus, that's the best VIP anyway, DVR. I'll use component like I'm doing with this now. But, my god, man. This thing resets constantly. Like, I can't find a single issue. I checked the caps are fine. The hard drive is fine. The power source is fine. Everything is fine. It just keeps fucking resetting. And there's the 9241 with the 612 front faceplate. I'll probably make a video on that. I don't know. I was planning to. Then I got bored and said, you know, I'm not going to do it. It just sits here on step 2 of 5. It just fucking sits here. So we're going to have to replace this thing with the 722K, which I don't care at all. As long as it works. Also, that thing's got a 500 gig and this one's got a 320. But there's a 100 there's a 1 terabyte external from the 922, which that was the 922's internal drive, and then I just took it out and now there. And if you're wondering where that went, I think it went to the shed. I'm not sure, I think it did. So here goes that. It's like every time you use both tuners, the fucking thing just resets. Here's this thing. It's acquiring signal from 119 now. I don't know what the hell it's doing. It's just been on this for like 20 minutes. I'll just leave it for the entire day. Already got the video uploaded of the UI and stuff, so. The hell is this? Shut up. Yeah, there's the external drive. What's that? Oh, okay. Every time this fucking thing's on channel 176, it crashes it. And oh, look at the timers list. If it'll load, yeah, it says TV1 that never records it. See this shit? It says signal. What do you mean completed? It never completed anything. Never did. Now these I completed. This is to be recorded. And what is the 13th? Okay. Info. Also, I hate this remote. I hate it so much. This is the worst remote they've ever made. The buttons are so bad. This one's better. Go to 80s. Yeah.